In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all tasks in one place on monday.com. We're going to use a single board as the central hub so you can view, track, and complete everything without jumping between tabs. Think of this board as your team's command center. In this example, it's called trial management, but use whatever board you rely on as your main workspace. Open that board so you're looking at the main table view, where all items and columns are visible together. From here, add a new task by selecting the New Task button. This creates a fresh item in your table. Give the task a clear, action-oriented name so it stands out when you're scanning the list later. Short, descriptive titles make a big difference when you have dozens of items in the same place. Next, edit the task to include a due date and a status. The due date is more than just a reminder. It lets you sort and filter by urgency, and it feeds into date-based views like timelines and calendars. The status is your visual signal for progress. Choose the option that reflects where the work stands right now, such as not started, working on it, or done. Using consistent statuses across tasks makes the board instantly scannable and keeps everyone aligned. If you like, you can adjust the task name again to add context, but the key here is that every task has a date and a status so it rolls up cleanly with the rest. When the work is finished, mark it complete by dragging the task to the complete button or done status on your board. This single action updates the item's state and keeps your task list accurate. It also helps you maintain a clean snapshot of what's open versus what's closed, which is essential when you're trying to see everything in one place. If your workspace uses automations, moving a task to done can also trigger helpful follow-ups behind the scenes without adding extra manual steps. To make this central view even more comprehensive and efficient, you can enhance the board with widgets. For example, add a chart to visualize how many tasks are in each status, a calendar widget to see upcoming due dates at a glance, or a workload style widget to understand distribution. These additions sit on top of your board data and help you grasp the big picture quickly, all from the same place. That's it. Open your central board, add tasks with clear names, set due dates and statuses, drag them to complete when they're done, and use widgets to surface insights. Keep everything in one hub, and your team will always know exactly where to look.